we should be confident with how we look. Let's stop comparing ourselves with others because they are not you and you are not them. Next is your performance. What did we acknowledge earlier about people? We are all imperfect. So our performance is, while it is your choice, it may not sometimes be at par with somebody else's standard, right? It may not always achieve or deliver somebody else's expectations. What's important in performance is you are confident that you are choosing to do your best. Let me repeat that. What's important with performance is you are choosing to deliver your best. So when there are times that you're not able to deliver your best by choice, just tell yourself, I'll make it up. I'll do it better next time. Rather than say, ayoko nang itry yan, lagi akong fail dyan. You know, words are so powerful eh.